51. I'm going to the market. Yes, I am going to the market. I'm heading to the market. 52. Please wait for me. Can you wait for me? Wait for me, please. 53. What's the time now? Do you know the time now? What time is it now? 54. Let's go for a walk. Shall we go for a walk? Yes, let's go for a walk. 55. I'll meet you at 5 o'clock. Let's meet at 5 o'clock. I'll see you at 5. 56. Can you drop me at the bus stop? Please drop me at the bus stop. Can you leave me at the bus stop? 57. I need to buy some groceries. I must buy some groceries. Yes, I need groceries today. 58. The weather is nice today. Yes, the weather is nice. The weather feels good today. 59. It's getting late. Yes, it is getting late. Time is getting late now. 60. I'm going back home. Yes, I am going back home. I'm returning home now. 61. Let's take a shortcut. We should take a shortcut. Let's go by a shortcut. 62. I missed the bus. Yes, I missed the bus. I couldn't catch the bus. 63. The train is on time. Yes, the train is on time. The train is arriving on time. 64. The cab is waiting outside. Yes, the cab is waiting outside. The cab is already outside. 65. I'm walking to school. Yes, I am walking to school. I'm going to school on foot. 66. Please cross the road carefully. Cross the road carefully. Be careful while crossing the road. 67. The shop is closed today. Yes, the shop is closed today. The shop isn't open today. 68. Let's sit on that bench. We should sit on that bench. Let's go sit on the bench. 69. The park looks beautiful. Yes, the park looks beautiful. The park is very beautiful. 70. Don't throw garbage here. Please don't throw garbage here. Never throw garbage here. 71. I'm looking for an ATM. Yes, I'm searching for an ATM. I need to find an ATM. 72. Can you show me the way? Please show me the way. Can you guide me the way? 73. I'm waiting at the signal. Yes, I am waiting at the signal. I'm standing at the signal. 74. The road is crowded. Yes, the road is crowded. The road is full of people. 75. I'm feeling tired. Yes, I am very tired. I feel tired now. 76. Let's take some rest. We should take some rest. Let's rest for a while. 77. Do you want some ice cream? Would you like some ice cream? Do you want to eat ice cream? 78. I'm buying vegetables. Yes, I am buying vegetables. I'm purchasing vegetables. 79. The price is too high. Yes, the price is very high. This price is too much. 80. Please give me a discount. Can you give me a discount? Please reduce the price. 81. I don't have change. Sorry, I don't have change. I don't have small notes. 82. Can I pay by card? May I pay with card? Can I use my card to pay? 83. The shopkeeper is friendly. Yes. The shopkeeper is friendly. The shopkeeper is very kind. 84. I need a shopping bag. Yes, I need a shopping bag. Please give me a shopping bag. 85. The mall is very busy. Yes, the mall is busy today. The mall is crowded today. 86. Let's go window shopping. We should go window shopping. Let's do some window shopping. 87. This dress looks nice. Yes, this dress looks nice. The dress looks very pretty. 88. Can I try this on? May I try this on? Can I wear this and check? 89. Where is the fitting room? Can you tell me the fitting room? Where's the trial room? 90. I like this color. Yes, I like this color. This color is nice. 91. Do you have a bigger size? Is there a bigger size? Do you have one size bigger? 92. I'll buy it later. I'll purchase it later. Yes, I'll buy it another time. 93. The queue is too long. Yes, the line is too long. The queue is very long. 94. Let's have some snacks. We should have some snacks. Let's eat some snacks. 95. I'm waiting for my friend. Yes, I am waiting for my friend. I'm here waiting for my friend. 96. He's running late. Yes, he is running late. He's getting late. 97. Let's take an auto rickshaw. We should take an auto rickshaw. Let's go by an auto rickshaw.